Okay, in this video presentation, we are now ready to tackle the 7 aims of research, starting with the first aim. So, in order for us to discuss the first aim of research, let us study this situation. Okay, so Robert Hooke was was one of the scientists who contributed to the cell theory. Okay, he contributed to the cell theory, in which he was the first scientist to discover. Okay, he was the first scientist to discover the fundamental unit of life. Okay, and what is that fundamental unit of life? It is the cell. So he was the first scientist to discover the cell. So how did he discover the cell? So first, he used a specimen. So let's say this is a tree. And he used a specimen derived from an oak tree. Okay, so this is an oak tree. So he used a specimen derived from this kind of tree. Now, so let's say this was the specimen. Okay, and that specimen, he examined under the microscope. So upon examining this specimen derived from an oak tree under the microscope, so let's say this is the microscope, he noticed that the specimen, okay, consisted of these box-like structures, in which these box-like structures, okay, these box-like structures has thick walls. So box-like structures, it has thick walls. And then he also noticed that this box-like structures has an empty space at the middle of it. It has a hollow space. When we say hollow, it is empty. You notice that there is a hollow space in the box-like structures that composes this specimen. Now, from that idea, okay, since it is a box-like structure with an empty space, from that idea, he coined the term cell. So, just like in a jail cell, right? It is a boxed room with a very hollow space, very empty space. So that is where he got the term cell. So he was the first scientist to discover cell. Okay? So from this situation, so I'll try to copy this example. Okay? So from this situation, we can infer the first aim of research. Okay? So based from the example regarding Robert Hooke, the first aim of research is to discover or find out something. So just like in the case of Robert Hooke, he discovered the cell. So in relation or in addition to that, we can also infer the second aim of research. So first aim and second aim. So using the exact same situation or example, we can say that the second aim is related to the first aim, and that is to gain knowledge. Okay? To gain knowledge and understanding. About the concept or things needed. So, in the situation where Robert Hooke discovered cell, the first aim was to discover or find out something. And in addition to that, he gained knowledge and understanding about the concept of the cell or the things that we needed. So in our next video presentation, we are to discuss the third aim of research.